Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. First of all, let me thank you all for coming here today. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm happy that so many of you could make it today. Welcome to my presentation. First, let me introduce myself. I am Wendra Wirawan. You can call me Awen or Wen. I'm from Diploma of Telecommunication Technology on behalf of Telkom University. I'd like to welcome you. Okay, what do you think when you leave the house? Have you ever been in a situation where there was fear and your heart and mind when you leave the house? Hear about the number of house big in at the moment, especially during a pandemic like this. Thinks that abandoned house is not okay. Lots of people are bad people. There are so many innovations to eliminate that fear with very good technology like today. So here I will present my project that will help you to reduce the fear of you leaving the house. Today I'm here to tell you about smart home, especially smart lock for girls. With the greatness of technology today, many people use it for good. Smart lock folder is a technology that is very useful at this time. Okay, I will show you about this smart lock folder. Okay, uh, this is what the outside door looks like. In the outer door, there are several parts. First, this is a handle. This is the same as a door in general, which function to open the door. Second is fingerprint. This function to open the lock with using our fingerprint. The third is the password code. This function to open the door with using a secret code that has been created. The fourth is the hidden keyhole, which functions when our fingerprints are not detected and we forgot our door code password. This is the last way to open the door. Okay, then there is a view from the inside the door. On the inside there are several parts. The first, this is a handle. This function to open the door. And the second is manual keys. This function to lock the door manually like a door in general. Okay, next, this is a video how to use smart door lock. This is when we input the password code. Okay, this is when the open the door with the fingerprint. Okay, enough for video. This is the link video when I was in YouTube. Okay, there are several benefits when we use this smart lock folder. The first is increase home security, and the second is increase the aesthetic value of the home, and the third is various ways to open the door, such as fingerprint, password code, and manual keys. And the conclusion is with good technology at this time, this smart door lock really help us. For people who like to forget the location of the key, this is very helpful. So when they forget the location of the key, they feel they can open it with a fingerprint or password code from the door. For people who like to decorate their homes, this is a great for increase the beauty level of the home. Not only beauty, but the house will look more modern. Okay, for this is for the reference in my project, and thank you. I think enough for my presentation. I'm sorry if you found many mistakes. Thank you all.